Hello and welcome to the walk around video of the first M135i to feature the full BMW Mperformance body styling kit in the UK here at Your Next Car. So we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the vehicle and I'll talk you through some of the features and options, and then of course we'll go inside the vehicle where once we're there we will of course cover the interior features and options. The vehicle itself is finished in the very nice Misano blue, and that of course works very nicely with the full BMW Mperformance body styling kit. Starting at the front, as standard, the vehicle comes with this very nice gloss black splitter. However, as part of the Mperformance body styling kit, you get these very nice aero canyards. The alloy wheels are the BMW 557 lightweight 19-inch alloy wheels. Again, as part of the M135i, you do get the M brake package. As you can see there, they are extremely large brakes to handle the 306 brake horsepower produced by the 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine up front. Moving on down the side, you'll see we've got the BMW Mperformance side vinyls and the very nice side bars as well, which come all the way back to the rear, and they are finished in the gloss black, which once again works very nicely with the Misano blue. Interior is the absolutely incredible half Alcantara half cloth sport seats, and these are all etched with the M logo, as you can see there. Another nice option on this vehicle is the M seatbelt package, as you can see there, and we'll take a further look around that very shortly when we go through onto the rear of the car. It does have the power fold mirror function as well. We've also got the Harman Kardon surround sound as well, and of course the rest of the interior features I will try and cover for you very shortly when we make our way back around and take a seat inside the vehicle. Privacy glass, as you can see there, and I'm going to show you around the rear seat. Isofix rear bench, and again taking a nice look at the very nice M seatbelt option. An exceptionally spacious rear car, to say it is of course a hot hatchback, and of course a lovely look at those M front seats as well. Moving on to the rear, where we find the Mperformance rear spoiler, which is once again finished in the gloss black, and the lovely Mperformance logo embossed into it. This is not a sticker or a vinyl, this is actually embossed as part of the spoiler itself. At the rear you'll find the forged carbon fibre rear diffuser. This is currently the lightest and most strongest man-made fibre known at the moment, and looks incredible against the Misano blue. The M135i's all come with X-Drive four-wheel drive as standard. However, it does work slightly differently compared to the traditional X-Drive that BMW have been using for a while, as this system actually enhances cornering, exit and cornering speed, as this vehicle is predominantly front-wheel drive. However, I'm not going to go into too much detail in regards to the technical specs on this video. I'm just going to go around the vehicle and show you it. However, coming up in the future will be a full technical video on this car and a few others in the future, so do keep your eye out for that. We've got a rear facing reversing camera, which again we'll have a display of very shortly. The boot space, especially for a hatchback, is a exceptionally large space, and they've enhanced that further by giving you a false floor, so you do get under storage space as well. And of course the seats do fold down nicely to give you even further room should it be required. Moving on round to the other side, once again we'll just take in how well all of this package works together, including those stunning 557M lightweight alloy wheels, and of course this full Mperformance body styling kit, which I will re-emphasise is the first M135i in the UK to have this kit. It has come direct from Germany, and we are very proud and honoured to be the first in the UK to do an M135i with the kit. One last look at the interior before I make my way around. Go ahead, take a seat and of course start the car up, because we all want to hear that very nice 2-litre turbocharged engine start up. Okay, so now we're sat inside the vehicle. It is just as special a place to be as the outside is special to look at. Much like the new 3 Series and newer range of BMW, we still get the lovely BMW Live cockpit. Now again, this is all interchangeable to suit your wants and needs. At the moment we've got the navigation screen in the centre display. As you'll see there, this vehicle has only covered just over 8,000 miles, so it is an extremely low mileage example. Down here in the centre is the wireless charging dock. So you simply place your device down here like so, and it'll charge up for you. There's no need to have wires. However, they still provide a USB slot for obviously USB media. In terms of media, you get DAB radio and a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including Bluetooth audio, Spotify, and of course screen mirroring, as you can see there. If we head on over to the communications menu, we can see just what other ones in terms of Bluetooth audio we get. So of course you get Bluetooth telephone along with that Bluetooth audio as well. Thanks to this being touchscreen, using the navigation is even easier because we can simply pinch to zoom out and zoom in, and is a very user-friendly item to use. Going into the vehicle and vehicle status screen, we can see that the vehicle is not due a service for 9,000 miles and has had 2 services at BMW. The first one for its pre-delivery inspection service, and the most recent was just for the front brakes to be carried out before we purchased the vehicle. So as I've mentioned, we do have the rear facing reversing camera on this vehicle, and as you can see there is a display of it. We've also got the lovely new style M Sport multifunction steering wheel, which comes with the new 8-speed sports gearbox, cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume control, and don't forget, all of these new BMWs do come with that artificial intelligence system, so the vehicle will learn in due time what you like to do best. And of course you can also use the voice function by i.e. saying hello BMW, which I forgot won't work if you've got it in the parking system, so let's try that again. Hello BMW. There you go. And you can give it many commands, i.e. turn the heated seat on for the driver's side, and it'll do that. You can ask it to set nav routes, etc, etc. Okay, so that will pretty much finish our walk around video off. The last thing to do is of course give you a little sound clip of the vehicle, because that's what we're all here for. So there we have it, and that will finish off our walk around of the absolutely tremendous, first in the UK M135i to feature the full M Performance body styling kit here at your next car. Thank you very much for watching. We do hope to see you very, very soon. All of the links explaining all of the finance options and pricing for this vehicle will of course be linked down below. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care. We hope to see you soon. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.